Good morning, Groovers and Shakers. Blockchain Bob here. Day 8, coming to the end of week 2, and I wanted to share a pearl today about something that Elon Musk and Steve Jobs and lots of very successful tech entrepreneurs over the years often say, and that is that we have a very finite number of decisions that we can make every day. And I read somewhere that we make something like 4,000 decisions a day. Maybe it's 4,000 decisions a minute. Anyway, whatever it was a finite number. And so if there are things that we can identify that aren't that important to us or what we're doing, then maybe we should consider ruling them out as a decision we have to make. And so for mine, I very much am a man who likes to wear a white t-shirt. And so instead of thinking about what I'm going to wear, what will that look like, what will people think, is it ironed, is it too tight on my big belly, or is it too big now that I've lost so much weight and I'm very glamorous? All those things you don't need to worry about, because I just have 5 white shirts and they just Monday to Friday. And then
good morning. What am I going to wear this morning? So it'll either be the white or the white. Yeah, I think I'll go with the white. Great.
that just makes life easier. That's all.